Hello friend, welcome back. Now check my links will support in incognito mode as well as shadow DOM also. Now it's very simple and straightforward, like nothing, no, not much thing is required. So if you want to use in check my links in incognito mode, so first of all, like if you open incognito mode here like this in Chrome, by default you will not see the check my links logo here. So what you have to do, go to normal window, right click on the check my links logo here and click on manage extension. Here you will see, scroll down, allow in incognito. So what you have to do, just toggle this, turn on this toggle, and now if you go to this and you will find the logo here. If you open any website, for an example we open SelectorsHub.com, and here if you will click on the logo, it will show you the result, scan the page, fetch all the links, and it will give you the detailed report. Let me click, and here you see, so it is loading all the links, getting all the details, and it will show all the details here. It's still in queue, so it's running depending on the like internet speed, how it is getting the response and all from those links. That way it will take time. Apart from that, it runs very fast. So you can see that here it's showing all these details here, you can see, and everything here. So this is working in incognito mode. Any other website you want to see, you can just click open and just click on this. It will fetch all the links immediately and get you the result. So this is how it works in now in incognito mode. Again I will repeat, right click on the logo of check my links in normal Chrome browser, click on manage extension. Here you will find allow in incognito, turn on this toggle. By default it will be off, you have to turn on to get in incognito. Now next thing, it starts supporting now shadow DOM as well. So if you're in your page, if any link is inside shadow DOM, it will also fetch that and show you the result. Like for an example, like on this page, SelectorsHub XPath practice page, these links are inside, this link is inside shadow DOM. So if you click on this check my links logo, it will highlight these particular links as well, which are inside shadow DOM. If you just want to see them, that whether they are inside shadow DOM or not, you just click and inspect inside SelectorsHub. It will show you that this is inside shadow DOM. So yes, it will support that as well, and you can see the result here. That's great. Now it supports everything. If you open website, like let's say for example this one, and click on this, so here you see it fetch all the links and everything, all the result is showing. By default, if you click on this view all, it will show you all the links and their response code, and you can also click on this any of the links you want to open. You just click on view and it will open that link particular, and here you will find all the entries and everything. Now if you want to, let's say for an example, if you want to see those links as well which are blank, so here you see that, just click on this, because in this page there might be few links which might be having the href is equal to blank value, and that link might be getting created while like at runtime through JS and all. So if you click on this setting here, and if you want to see the blank links as well, so you, in that case, you can include empty links in the report as well. So if you click on this, now if you go here and refresh this page and click on this check my links logo here, it will also include those links, blank links in your report. So now if you click view all, it will, if there will be any view link, that also it will show here. So this is how like you will get all things. Just a second, I guess I missed this. Here you have to click on save my preference. Okay, any setting change you make, please click on this, and then only if you like again scan the page, that's where it will show you those blank. I missed that to click on the save. So you see that now it is showing 233, and now if you will click on view all, it will show you those blank links as well. It is showing value blank here because we have included those links as well which has the those anchor text which has href is equal to 0. So do not get confused that it's not showing anything, there is a bug. No, this is not a bug, because we have included those links as well. If you short here, you will see that they will go at last and then it will show like this. So this is basically like it is, we have included those links as well which has the href is equal to blank value. Like here under settings, you can see that include empty links in the report which has anchor tag href is equal to empty. So you get those as well in the report. So we have improved the report. By default we are keeping it unchecked, if you want to see those as well, then if you want to scan those as well, then in that case you can include, otherwise by default it will be unchecked. So now and lots of other improvements has been done in check my links, that we have improved the like reporting performance improvement, and all those things has been done. So I hope like this will help you guys a lot to scan the page, any page, to find out the broken links and any kind of like link issue related to link, and also like just to verify all the links are correct, getting the correct status code and all, so that your user or SEO get better for your website and user doesn't face any kind of issue. So that's where all these things will help. And of course now it's working incognito as well flawlessly. If you face any issue, do let us know, and we are here to help you and to make it more and more robust and improve product, so that it can help you guys a lot. If you haven't checked out, it's here on SelectorsHub.com. check my links page is there, you can find it. All the download links are here. If you click it, you will find it on Chrome store within few days on itself, like more than 7,000 users already using it. You can just install and use it. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful, and this particular tool will help you guys a lot. Do share it with others so that others get to know this great tool. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.